guys, today I'm doing a not with me video. This is my first not with me video, hopefully the first of many, so you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Today I'm working on pattern 39689 from BraceletBook. I already started this bracelet before I started filming, so that part's already done. But I saw this pattern on Instagram and I really liked it. And when I made the tie-dye keychain from my last video, I used a couple colors that I thought would look really good together. This blue and green and then this sort of salmon-y coral color. So I decided to use those for this bracelet with a black background / border. Now, I'm not the best at some normal patterns. My edges always look super wonky when I make certain normal patterns. I'm just not the best at them, but that's okay. This pattern is like super cool looking. It's kind of interlocking chains, I guess. I'm not really sure what you call it, but it's like interlocking links of something. But I think this one looks really cool. You'll see as I continue to work on it that the pattern is pretty interesting, especially with the colors. I think I'm really happy with the colors I chose for this one. And as you can see, I did a triangle start. Whenever I do triangle starts, there's always like an indentation from the end of the triangle start to the beginning of like the pattern. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about when I'm explaining it that way, but if you look closely, you can see there's sort of just like a indentation below where the triangle start was. I don't know why that is. Again, I'm not the best at these kinds of normal patterns, and this doesn't really happen when I do teardrop loops, so I'm not sure. I don't really know how long this bracelet took me because I worked on it over the course of a couple days. I think maybe like 3 to 4 hours. Normally, I watch YouTube on my phone while I'm working on bracelets because I don't know why. Recently, I've been working at my desk a lot more and I like get my bracelets done a lot quicker that way because I just sit here and catch up on my YouTube videos. I used to sit on the couch and watch TV and like put my bracelet on a clipboard and work on it there. But I realized that working on alpha patterns while I'm sitting on the couch, using my clipboard instead of being at my desk, they always don't have the best edges. Like the edges aren't as straight as if I was working on them on my desk. I don't know if there's a correlation, but that's why I've started using just sitting at my desk more. And for certain things, like certain bracelets, I'll go to the couch and work on. Like if I don't need a pattern, like if I'm working on stitch braids or like chevrons or something, then I'll go and sit on the couch. But lately, I've just not been watching a lot of TV, just a lot of YouTube. And if you're wondering what kind of videos I watch, I know a lot of people watch bracelet videos while they make their bracelets, but I have to admit that I don't really watch a lot of bracelet videos. I watch Masha Knots, of course, and Kinsey B bracelets. I think their channel is just Kinsey B, but those are ones, like those two, they taught me how to make bracelets, so I have to give them a shout out. But normally when I make bracelets, I'll watch, like, I like to watch Danny Gonzalez, Drew Gooden, Curtis Connor, some craft channels like Mariah Elizabeth, Cody Ko, Try Guys. There's a lot of drama with the Try Guys, but I'm trying to support them. You know, I watched them for years, and it's just kind of shocking what happened, but I don't really want to talk too much about that. I'm just glad. I'm very happy with how they handled everything, and I'm going to continue to support them because it's very hard when you cut ties with someone like that, and so I can only imagine how much they're going through, not just as a company but as people who have lost their friend from this betrayal, I guess. Anyway, moving on to a happier topic. I also watch Kelsey and Peacha K. I don't know if anyone knows who that is. She's a gamer YouTuber. She used to make other stuff, but she's a former BuzzFeed employee, and you might know she had a very popular series where she did the 100 Baby Challenge in The Sims. So I've been watching her ever since that, and she has a couple new challenges on her personal channel since she left BuzzFeed. And those are perfect because they're basically like TV shows. They're like 40 minutes long. So I just sit here and I work on my bracelet and watch YouTube. But as you can see, I do, what is it called? Segment knotting? Yeah, segment knotting for when I used to do row by row. That took forever, and it also made my bracelets like way thicker. But once I learned how to segment knot, it was like, that's obviously all I do. So this one, since I did a triangle start, I had to, I print out my patterns and then I draw out the triangles so I know how to make it. I can't read a pattern without drawing out either the inverse or regular triangle if I'm doing like a triangle star or teardrop loop. I hope you understand what that means. Like if you know how to segment knot, I think you'll understand. That's why I print out my patterns, so I can do that, and it makes it easier for me to make them. So unfortunately, I forgot to record me ending the bracelet. I was so caught up in whatever I was watching on my phone that I just forgot. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to just record making like the first half of the bracelet and then like some in the middle. And then I wanted to record me finishing the bracelet. But I forgot. So this is the end. This is what the bracelet ended up looking like. I didn't make it that long because I get bored with patterns super easily. So when I deem it long enough, I will end it and then just make the ties super long if I can. So I did make the ties pretty long. But I love these colors. I love them with the black. I think they just look super nice together. Like the colors really pop against the black, and the pattern is super cool as well. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out, and let me know what you guys think and if I should do more Knot With Me videos. You can check out my Instagram for better photos of it, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!